Hi, I'm Alan. I'm here today and I'm going to tell you about the Hogan BSA Bantam. This was built by Pete and John Hogan back in the early 50s and raced successfully by the brother John. It's basically two 125 Bantams joined together, linked through an Albion gearbox. And if you take notice at the front here, they've made a very, very nice twin leading shoe front brake out using two BSA Bantam hubs. The frame's partially originally Bantam, just heavily modified. Manx Norton replica tank made out of aluminium, complete with a racing seat. This bike was found in a barn in Sandy as a complete wreck, and it was rebuilt to this standard by a lad called Mervyn Evans. Went to the London Motorcycle Museum, and when the London Motorcycle Museum was disbanded, we ended up with the bike, and all we've done with the bike is put it on displays. That's about as much as I can tell you.